Aw, it's man. Isaiah.
He's been asleep for a while now.
That's a video for YouTube.
Yeah.
If you're on telly,